Hey Neha, you're here early today.
Hi Arjun. Yes, I thought I'd come early and take a walk.
That's a good idea. This park feels peaceful in the evening.
Exactly. After a long day, it feels relaxing.
How was your day?
It was fine, but I felt a bit stressed at work.
Same here. Work pressure is increasing day by day,
True. And communication plays a big role at work.
especially English communication.
Yes, if we speak clearly, everything becomes easier.
I sometimes struggle to explain my ideas in English.
That happens to me too.
What do you do when you can't find the right words?
I try to explain in a simple way, instead of using difficult words.
That's smart.
Clear English is better than fancy English.
I agree. Earlier, I used to think using big words is important.
Many people think that.
But now I feel simple sentences are more effective.
Absolutely. Even native speakers use simple English.
How did you improve your English?
Mostly by speaking daily, even if it was incorrect.
Didn't you feel embarrassed?
At first, yes, but slowly I stopped caring.
That confidence is important.
Confidence comes when you accept mistakes.
I still hesitate while speaking in meetings.
What exactly makes you hesitate?
I think too much about grammar.
That's the problem.
So grammar is not very important.
It is important, but not while speaking.
Then when should we focus on grammar?
While writing or practicing separately.
That makes sense.
When you speak, focus on meaning, not perfection.
I'll remember that.
Do you practice English at home?
Yes, sometimes I talk to myself in English.
That's actually very helpful.
Really? I thought it was strange.
Not at all. Many learners do that.
What topics do you talk about?
Daily activities, plans, thoughts, simple things.
I usually think in my local language.
Try thinking in English little by little.
That's difficult.
Yes, but with practice, it becomes natural.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, especially interviews and podcasts.
Why interviews?
Because people speak naturally in interviews.
That's true.
Movies are also good, but interviews are more realistic.
I watch English shorts on social media.
That's useful too.
Sometimes I repeat sentences loudly,
That's great for pronunciation.
but my accent sounds different.
Accent doesn't matter.
Are you sure?
Yes, clear pronunciation matters, not accent.
That's a relief.
Everyone has a different accent.
True.
Have you noticed improvement in your English?
Yes, slowly.
That's good.
Earlier I was scared to speak.
And now?
Now I try at least.
That's progress.
Do you think reading helps in speaking?
Definitely.
What should beginners read?
Simple articles, blogs, or short stories.
Not newspapers?
Newspapers are good, but sometimes difficult.
Yes, editorials confuse me.
Then read headlines and summaries first.
Good idea.
Also note down new words.
I forget words quickly.
Use them in sentences.
That helps memory.
Exactly.
Do you write in English?
Yes, short paragraphs.
About what?
About my day, thoughts, or plans.
That sounds easy.
It is.
Do you check your writing?
Yes, sometimes using online tools.
Technology helps a lot.
True.
What about speaking with strangers?
That improves confidence a lot.
I feel nervous doing that.
Start with small conversations.
Like ordering food?
Yes, exactly.
That's manageable.
English is everywhere if you notice.
That's true.
You don't need a perfect environment.
Just daily practice.
Yes, consistency matters more than speed.
Sometimes I feel slow.
Slow learning is still learning.
I like that line.
So what's your goal with English?
I want to speak confidently in professional situations.
That's a good goal.
And yours?
I want to express my thoughts clearly.
That's important.
Language is about expression.
Not about showing off.
Exactly.
Talking with you motivates me.
Same here.
We should continue these conversations.
Yes, let's make it a habit.
Deal.
It's getting late now.
Yes, but this walk was worth it.
Definitely.
See you tomorrow?
Sure, same time.
Great. Take care.
You too. Bye.